friends, welcome to my channel Nature's Bounty. Today I will give you a few tips how to take care and protect peace lily plant and to get a healthy and beautiful peace lily plant in a garden. Look at this beautiful ornamental indoor as well as outdoor plant. This is known as peace lily or spathiphyllum or good luck plant. Peace lily is one amazing low maintenance house plant you can choose as it is still thrives even when you forget watering them. It can survive without sunlight and just bright indoor light from indirect sunlight. It's an easy to grow indoor plant that brings life and color to low light spots while also purifying the toxic gases in the air. So it's best known for its air purifying abilities and can thrive in shade. Peace lily takes several years to flower when grown from seed. It is a tropical plant that blooms from January to August. The showy part of the flower features a white hood-like sheath or spathe which resemble a white flag of surrender or peace. There is lot of fragrance when flower opens. Now, let's talk about how to take care this beautiful peace lily flower. Peace lily plants produce white to off-white flowers starting in the early summer and they grow even 16-inch tall, sometimes more than that, like 4 to 5 feet taller. Plant contains calcium oxalate that causes respiratory irritation. So keep this away from children and pets. Now when you are talking about the soil, choose earthen pot with many drainage holes and very light and fertile soil is best for this plant, like garden soil 50%, coco peat 20%, vermicompost to 20% and a handful of bone meal. Next, about the temperature. Peace lilies like consistent temperature from 60 degree to 70 degree Fahrenheit, that is 16 degree centigrade to 21 degree centigrade, and should be protected from cold and winter air. Avoid midday sunlight. If there is less sunlight, you will also get less flowers. So it requires filtered light. It doesn't like more chemical fertilizers. So in spring and summer, use an organic fertilizer to help plant to bloom. Use vermicompost or cow dung, rainwater, etc. best for the peace lily plant. Peace lily like to be watered a lot at once and also need some times to dry out. So choose a container with drainage hole. Now let's see how to separate a peace lily plant from its mother plant. The best method is root division. There are many plants in this pot. Separate one good plant without damaging the root and plant it in another pot. In this pot already soil is mixed. I will plant in this pot. Roots are very important for any plant to absorb water and nutrients to the plant. Keep some gravel at the bottom of the pot. Put some dry leaves crushed and add the potting mix. Keep some banana peels at the edges and fill the roots with soil and water it. It will grow within few days. I hope you learned some tips what is required to grow a healthy peace lily plant, and you liked it too. Remember to share and press the subscribe button below my video. Thank you for watching.